You search for how to buy shares of Solar AS, a renewable energy company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker SOLARB. CO. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SOLARB CO. Then select the matching Solar AS listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check that the listing shows Solar AS and ticker solarb.co to confirm it is the correct share. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after execution. Check the description for a link if you want to explore eToro's platform.